Hey guys, I hope you are really well. In today's video, we are going to make the most delicious pepper steak marinated in champagne. I will also show you how to make the most amazing pepper champagne sauce that complements perfectly the steak. This is an extraordinary recipe using only 3 ingredients. The meal can be prepared in 20 minutes or I guarantee you that everybody eating this steak will be licking their fingers. Make sure to stay until the end of my video because the pepper champagne sauce is at the end of my video. Let's get started. We need just 3 ingredients: an excellent quality steak, pepper, salt, and champagne. Pour the champagne into the base. Use only 100 ml of champagne. We keep another 100 ml for the sauce. If you are taking a larger bottle, you can use 200 ml of champagne. Put the steak in the champagne. Marinate both sides. It is important that the steak is completely covered by the champagne because this is the only way that the pepper will remain on it. The secret to success is that the steak and the champagne must be room temperature. Marinate the steak in the champagne for a total of 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we are going to pepper the steak thoroughly with 2 or 3 types of pepper. I recommend using cut and grate colored peppers altogether. Pepper the steaks generously because the taste of pepper goes perfectly with the champagne, and these two are a fantastic combination with the steak. When we are ready with peppering the steak, let's take a pan and melt a little bit of butter. Let's use an anti-adhesive pan. It is important that the pan must be hot when we fry the steak. We can see how beautifully the steak is covered by the pepper. It means that we did a good job marinating the steak. You should fry the steak for 2 or 3 minutes, depending on your taste. Now we are going to prepare the pepper champagne sauce. We will use the leftover of the marinade for making the sauce, and we are going to add 100 ml champagne. More. Add 1 tablespoon crème fraîche. Work it well with the sauce over slow fire. When it is ready, boil it for 1 minute more and it is ready. Let's serve it hot. You can be sure that your meal will be a success and your family and friends will be licking their fingers. The steak is ready. This is really an extraordinary recipe, and you can make the steak really special with a small bottle of champagne. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, share and comment my videos, and give me a thumbs up. See you next time.